Hello there. Mostly when we search for something on a platform, such as Google, the internet throws up multiple options. This is confusing and time-consuming to locate the required information in the search result. What if we have options for narrowing the search results to get relevant ones? Let's see few tips. Use essential words for searching. For example, to search for burger place near home, an amateur may type in, "Where can I get good burgers in Bengaluru?" We get some results. A more effective search method is using keywords such as, "burger place near me." Based on this, the search results are more filtered and display restaurants closer to your home. The listing is also refined based on the keywords. Did you notice the difference in these search results? The first one shows all the restaurants from around the whole locality. But when we specify the restaurants near me, the search results sort them, depending upon the restaurants nearby. The second option is effective as it uses fewer and most appropriate words. Now let's consider another scenario. Imagine that I'm confused about operating my headphone and need to refer to the user manual. The make that I'm using is Sony and I searched for Sony headphones user manual. The search result may look like this. It shows details of all available Sony headphones. To be more specific, I'm typing in the model number of the headphone. Sony WH-XB900N user manual. It gives more specific information. But again, we must select one of the links and browse through the page to find the necessary information. To narrow down the result further, we can add file type PDF. This lists down only the PDF documents. We got the link for the user manual in PDF format. See how we improve the search process. To search results between a range of numbers. For example, if you are looking for laptops in the price range of $300 to $600, this is how we can search. Laptops $300, $600. Put 2 periods between the numbers, and add a unit of measurement. To avoid certain words in the search result, insert a minus sign just before the keywords that you want to omit. What is your guess regarding this search? Laptops $300, $600 minus HP. Yes, the search result will avoid the word HP in effect, we will not see HP laptops. These advanced search options can also be done in another way. Go to Settings and click Advanced Search. The window consists of various fields that need to be filled to narrow down the search results. Another beneficial feature is finding pages updated within the specified time. For example, by Googling FIFA news, we get this result. We can see news published a day ago, 2 days ago, etc. Go to Tools. From the first drop-down menu, we can filter the results based on the time of publication. By selecting past 24 hours, we will obtain the publications made in this period. Make use of these categories appropriately. Try it out. For example, Google Superman, and we get this page. Maybe you are interested in images. Click on the option Images, and we get a wide variety of images related to Superman. Google also offers us the option to search using images. We can also use search engines like DuckDuckGo, which claims that it does not store the user's personal information.